Good morning, grade threes, and welcome to coding class on this Tuesday morning. I hope you are all nice and warm so early in the morning. I know a lot of you went back to school yesterday, or some of your friends are going today. Some of you are not going at all. So whenever you can, when you're not at school, please join our coding class, and you guys can invite all your friends to come as well. Okay, we are busy with debugging in Maze. Let me just say, I see there's something in your chat box. Oh, hi, everyone. I am not sending the link yet. I will only send the link when we go to code.org, okay? Okay, yesterday we started with debugging in Maze, lesson 3, and we are looking at Scrat here. So today we are going to do puzzle 7 to 10. Now you guys remember what debugging means? It is when you have a code already, or you've written a code, or someone has given you a code, and it doesn't work as it is supposed to. Then you guys go and you debug it by following step by step. What does the code do? Where it went wrong. So maybe you have to remove a block, or sometimes you have to add a block. And then you get the code to work as it's supposed to, and that is what debugging is. Okay, now yesterday I gave you some homework. And Hoodie did his homework for us. So very well done, and a shout out to you. And you got your puzzle right. So well done on Scrat getting his acorn. I want to encourage you guys to do the puzzles I ask you to do for homework. Today, I believe it will be puzzle 10 or 11. We'll see at the end. I will check it for you on my email. And you are also welcome to send me any questions that you want to know. This is what your homework was about. You had to debug this level by rearranging and by changing blocks. Then this first part is the part that they gave you, but there was something wrong. If we follow this coding, it says move forward 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Well, actually 6 times. Scrat would have fallen into the water. So that code was wrong. We had to debug the code by maybe using the step block, or if you could just see it with your bare eye what went wrong there, that is fine as well. So this is the correct code. I just want to change my arrow to a pen. This is the correct code. Move forward, turn right, move forward, turn left, move forward, and move forward. I hope all of you got it right. Even if the first time is not right, as long as you get it right in the end by debugging your code. Remember here we said debugging is finding and fixing errors in a program. And we do it with the step button, because the step button goes through your code line by line. The step button we can find here at the bottom of every puzzle. Well, not most of them, not everyone, but the step button then allows you to click on it, and it will only do one move at a time so that you can see where something went wrong. Okay, so the first puzzle we are going to look at today is puzzle 7, and it looks like this. Now we have to figure out what is wrong with it, with the coding, and we need to get Scrat to the acorn. So let's quickly, this is the code that they give us. Okay, so let's look at it and see, because you are going to solve this puzzle today on the code.org program. So here it's telling us I don't want you to tell me the answer right now, because you have to code it just now, okay, in a couple of minutes. But let's see what's going to happen here. Move forward, turn right. Now, if we look at Scrat, this hand, this one is his right hand. This is his left. Okay, so if we say turn right, he is going to face down this way. So that is already wrong, because how can he get from here to the acorn unless he swims, and Scrat doesn't like swimming. So here already we see a problem. Okay, but when we do the coding, we will go through it step by step, and then you guys can debug it by yourselves. This is what puzzle 8 looks like. Again, it says debug this level by rearranging, adding, and deleting blocks. Okay, so again, I'm not going to tell you the mistake, but you see that Scrat needs to move from here. Here he needs to turn down to the acorn. Now let's quickly see if we can just quickly follow this, if maybe we can already pick up a mistake. It starts with 2 move forward blocks. So there's already a mistake, because here's one, the second one. Oh, he is going to fall into the icy water. So we already see that this move forward is a problem. So when we get to puzzle 8, remember that we will do it step by step. We'll also be doing puzzle 9. Now, puzzle 9 also gives you a code, and then it tells you to look at it and then answer the question. So I'm quickly going to let you look at the code. So the code says when run, move forward, turn right, move forward, turn left, and move forward. Now let's quickly read all the possible answers. Don't answer the question now, because you have to answer it in the coding program, okay? It says move forward, move forward. So let's follow it. Move forward, turn right. So it will be facing this way. And that is correct. Move forward, turn left. Let's see what's going to happen. Left is this way. It's not that way. And then move forward. Scrat might just end up here. So let's read what it says. The program won't fail. Scrat will get to the acorn. B, Scrat will go the wrong way after his final turn. C, Scrat takes 1 too few steps and ends up short of the acorn. And then D, which you cannot use as an answer, I don't know. You always have to know. You can never tell me you don't know. Then you try and figure it out. That is not an answer, okay? Now we are going to our coding platform. I'm just going to share my screen with you, and then I will give you the link. Here we go, debugging in Maze. That is what it looks like. I'm going to share it in your chat box. Kupano Hudi was saying thank you because I showed his homework to the whole class and I said thank you to him. So I congratulated him and he just had good manners saying thank you back to me. I see you are asking in the chat box why he is saying thank you. So that is the reason, okay? I am going to give you guys a chance to get into the coding program. So if you clicked on the link there and you are on puzzle 7, just quickly say in. Lutando is already in. The rest of you can just say in as soon as you get there. Okay, I'm going to give you a minute or so. So that link, remember, you can open up 2 screens next to each other. You can just minimize my screen a little bit And when you click on the link, it will open another one and you can drag it next to your screen and two screens will be open at the same time. Iska is in, Kabane is in. Hoodie is in. Okay, I'm giving you about 30 seconds more. Okay. Shanonso is in. Yumi is in. Okay, you guys, I'm going to start. I think most of you are in already. Okay, our instructions here tell us to figure out what is wrong and to get scrat to the acorn. So I am going to quickly let it run and see what is happening here because it says move forward, turn right, move forward, turn right, move forward, turn right, and move forward. So let's quickly see what happens when we run. Oh, do you see there's the problem already? Where it says turn right here. Oh, where is Scrat going? Oh no! There, all of the ice blocks. Did you see that? Poor little Scrat. I always feel so sorry for him when he falls in the water. So let's quickly try and fix this. So we click on reset for it to go back. And let's now practice with only step. So step says move forward. So that is correct. We are not going to change that. The next one, turn right. There we already see a problem. Okay. So how we fix this one, you don't need to remove the block. You are just going to click on that triangle there and change it to turn left. Okay. So now I've said reset and now we're going to do step again. So we know the first one is correct. The second one is correct because they returned. The third one is correct because it's moving forward. Oh no, I can see here's going to be a problem because if it steps now, there goes Scrat again. No, poor Scrat. So we know here is a problem. Okay. So let's go back there. The move forward, turn left, move forward. Okay, so here we see is a problem. That move forward block should not be there. So let's take it out and we are going to throw it in the trash can. So let's reset. Every time that you start over or you remove something or you add something, you have to press reset. Let me just see in the Matloto, you're not able to get in. I'm just going to post this link again. Click on it again. If you cannot get in, it's okay. You can follow on my screen because I'm going to ask you questions just now and then you can tell me what to do. I will unmute you, okay? So just try one more time. But like I said, if you can't do it, if just follow me on my screen. Okay, so now we're starting over again and we're following the steps again. You see, this is how it works. Move forward, turn left, yes. Move forward, yes. Turn right, yes. Move forward, yes. Move forward, yes. Turn right, yes. And move forward. So here we just debugged this whole code that they gave us. So your code should look like my one, okay? I know I didn't ask you guys questions in this one. I hope all of you got it right, or those of you following my screen, that you followed what I was doing now. I'm going to let it run one more time to see that it works really smoothly, and then we'll go on to the next one, which you will give me the answers to. Okay, let's run it. There it goes. And fantastic, Scrat got the acorn. He didn't fall into the water this time. Luckily, I feel bad every time he falls into the water. Now this puzzle you can see is a challenge puzzle. Now there are lessons designed to stretch your brain. So for this one, you need to put on your thinking cap. And you guys are going to help me here. Okay. Now firstly, you see there's a workspace that allows us, or they want us, to use only 9 blocks or less. This code has only used 8. So it seems good. It seems like they've used less code. And that is a good thing, but there's obviously a problem. So let's quickly run the puzzle to see what happens. Move forward. No, not again. Let's just hope that water is not icy, that is not in the ice age at the moment. So we are going to press reset and quickly look at what the code says. It says move forward, move forward. Oh, we can already see there's a mistake there. Then turn right, move forward, turn left, and turn right. Okay, now I want one of you to tell me what is the first thing that we need to remove that is the wrong block. You can use on your screen step to figure it out. You can raise your hand and then you can tell me what do I need to remove, the very first block that I need to remove in this code to make it work. You can either type in your chat box or you can just raise your hand and I will unmute you. Okay, Goodie. You can unmute on your side.
Remove one forward.
Okay, what do I need to do?
Remove one forward.
Remove one forward. Let's remove it. Okay, there we have, thank you, Hoodie. We've already done one thing right. So let's see now. We are going to step, move forward. Okay, so that block is removed. Turn right. Oh, so we see it's turning in the wrong direction. Right, so reset. Who can tell me what to do next? Let me see who put up their hands. Nobody. What do I need to change or what do I need to do differently here? Matlotlo, I'm going to unmute you. Okay, you can unmute on your side. Hi,
Hello,
are you there?
ma'am.
Hi. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
what do I need to do? What do I need to change in this code?
You need to change turn right.
Okay, so let's change it. You say we have to turn left, right? Okay, let's check it. Well done. Let's see. We are going to do step by step again. Step, move forward, turn left. Okay, so that all seems right. I see there's a lot of chat in the chat box, so let me see. Do you want me to send the link again? Let me just send this link for those of you who came late and you couldn't see it in the chat box. I'm putting it in the chat box again. There you go. All right. So our next step, move forward, move forward. So up to here is correct. The next one, turn left. That is also correct. Turn right. Oh no, turn left, turn right. So now what? We need to change something where it says turn left, turn right. So let's quickly see who can help me out here. Okay, I'm going to see who of you, I don't know, I see two hands raised. I just fell over my own words. I'm lowering them because I don't know if it was for the first question. So if you want to answer this question, you can raise your hand again. Let's see. Goody, you raised your hand. And Matlotlo. Only the two of you. Where is the rest? Is there someone else who wants to answer? Because these two are just too clever today. But let's give Goody a chance. Okay, I'm going to unmute you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what do I need to do?
We need to add between the left and right in the middle there. Move forward.
I need to add this block. Okay, but do I still need to turn right or can I throw it away?
You still need to turn right, but also put forward underneath the right.
Okay, I'm going to run the code. Thank you. Let's see if it works. Let's see, reset. Let's go step by step. Move forward. Turn left. Move forward. Move forward. Turn left. Move forward. Turn right. Move forward. And perfect. Look how happy Scrat is. Let's quickly run the whole puzzle. After we did step for step and we see everything is working, then we just can run the puzzle to see that we are absolutely 100% correct. Okay, so let's run. There we go. Go Scrat, don't fall in the water. And perfect. Scrat is happy. Right, you guys, I hope all of you got that one right. Now we are moving on to puzzle 9. That is the one where you have to answer the question. Right, so we have 8 blocks and it says move forward, turn right, move forward, turn left and move forward. I don't know if you can still remember on my presentation where I showed you the arrows where it's going to move. So I'm just going to give you some direction and then you tell me which answer is correct. Is it A, the program won't fail, Scrat will get to the acorn? Is it B, Scrat will go the wrong way after his final turn? Is it C, Scrat takes one too few steps and ends up short of the acorn? Or I don't want anyone to answer D. So let's quickly look at it. Move forward, turn right. Okay, so he will be facing that way. Move forward, turn left. Oh, what's going to happen? Who can tell me what is the answer there? Let's see who raised their hands. Hayden, I'm unmuting you.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Will turn Scrat will go the wrong way after his final turn.
Absolutely right, Hayden. Well done. He is going to turn the wrong way. You are right. So the answer is B. Okay, so let's run the code and see if you are right. Let's go. There he goes. Move forward, turn right, move forward, turn left, move forward. He goes the wrong way after his final turn. Okay. So what was supposed to happen here? He needed to turn the other way. Okay. So remember, you can use the step button here to see which way is going. I see a lot of you have raised your hands. I don't know if you wanted to ask a question or if you want to answer a question, but in the next puzzle, I will unmute some of you, okay? Hayden, yes, why are you saying ma'am 4 times in the chat box? Do you want to say something? Let me just see. Okay, let me unmute you. Hayden, you can unmute on your side and then ask a question.
But at the last turn, if it's
Yes,
still, you will be one step short of the acorn.
absolutely. You're right. He will still be one, even if you change this one to right and it says move forward, he will still be one short. So you are right. If you had to debug this code, you would have changed this turn left and you would have added a move forward. So well done for seeing that. Excellent. Okay. Right, let's move on to the next one. Let me just run it because then I can continue. Right, now you guys see. Let me just see quickly. I'm just going through your names. Okay, this one, drag blocks from the toolbox into your workspace. You guys already know how to do that. Let me just open this one up so it's bigger. You are going to build this program. Did we just finish number 9? Right, yes. So this is also going to be your homework, but it seems like we might be able to finish a bit sooner, then we can go on to the bonus puzzles, okay? But number 10 is going to be your homework. So you are going to code this whole one by yourselves. So you can raise your hand and tell me what to do, but you also need to do it by yourselves, and you need to take a picture and send it to me on my email, which I will give you later. Okay, so who wants to try? Let me see whose hands are up here. Yomi, I'm going to unmute on my side. Okay, is your name Yomi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm pronouncing it right.
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. Yomi, can you tell me which block do I need to get this coding working?
You need to move forward 2 times.
Okay, let's put it there. Move forward and move forward. Okay.
And then move forward again.
Again. There we go. Okay, and then?
Turn left.
I'm putting the turn left block. Okay, and then?
Then move forward again.
Okay. Yomi, thank you very much. We are going to, there is a little bit of a mistake in there, but we are going to move to see where the mistake is, but very, very well done. Okay, let's quickly run to see what's going to happen. Move, 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 and turn left. Oh, do you see the turn left button here? Remember, but that's very good coding. Do you guys see why we need to debug? This turn left should be turn right. Okay, because remember, Scrat's right is up and Scrat's left is down if he's looking that way. Okay, so let's see this time. We've used 6 blocks, so we didn't use too many blocks. Let's quickly see if we run the code now, if it's going to work. There we go. Fantastic. So all of the coding was right. We just turned the wrong way here. So it's a small mistake that we just needed to correct. That's why the step button is so important. Okay, so that's what coding is all about. You're going to see something, you're going to code it. Always go through your code to see if it is running smoothly or what is happening so that you can debug it. Okay, so this one is going to be your homework. I am putting this in the chat box quickly because just for you guys to copy. If you want to go back to this puzzle later, you are more than welcome to do so. Because I quickly want to look at the next puzzle. I see some of you gave me directions in the chat box. I'm just reading them. Okay. Yes, Ishka, you said right. So you saw that we needed to turn right there. Okay, well done. There is the code again for your homework. But for now, I am going to move on to our next lesson, the extra lessons. I like doing them because they stretch your brain a little bit. This is a bonus level. Let me just open it up. Okay, you need to help Scrat to decide which way to turn to get to the acorn. Oh, so when you see these blocks, you see that you have 10 move forward blocks and nothing more than that. When you look at the turn blocks, turn left, you only have 4. When you look at the turn right blocks, you only have 4. So these little numbers are telling you how many of these blocks you have. But remember something to help you? You can always use the repeat block as well. Okay, so Scrat can go either way. You are either going to go up and turn right, then it will go this way, go down again, and turn and get the acorn. Otherwise, you can follow this path. Now, like I said, this is a nice and hard one for you guys to figure out because it is stretching your brain. It means you have to put on your thinking caps. Is there anyone who wants to give it a try, even if it's just the first or the second block? Okay, Lutando, I see you have your hand up. Oh, not anymore. Okay. Matlotlo, I'm going to unmute you. Okay, yes. What is our first block that we need to use here?
You need
you
to
there?
go up.
Okay, so
Yes,
which
ma'am,
block?
I'm still here.
Okay, I hear you. You say we need to go up.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that
Move
means we
forward.
use, yes, there we go. Move forward. Okay, when he has moved forward and he's on this block, which way are we going to turn?
Turn left.
Well done. Amber, you can't get in. Amber, that's fine. We're on our last puzzle at the moment. So I'm quickly just going to put the link of the last puzzle here, but you can follow on my screen, so that's not a problem. I'm just sending the link to Amber, guys. There you go. Okay. Move forward. Which way did you want to turn?
Left.
Okay. So let's quickly just do the step here. He's moving forward and then turn left. So you guys see he's facing that way now. Okay. So who is, thank you,
Yes, ma'am.
Matlotlo, that was right. Who is going to finish this code or do the next 2 moves? Amber, your hand is up. Not anymore. No, okay, so one of you have to put up your hand. Because remember, now we have moved forward, we have turned left. Now, what is our next step? Ah, Lutando, okay. Lutando, you can unmute on your side. There we go. Are you there? Yes. Okay, what is our next step? Remember, we've moved forward now. We've turned left. What do we need to do now?
I have to move forward again 2 times.
2 times. There we go. Okay, let's quickly step it out. Move forward, turn left, move forward, move forward. Okay, now you guys see we need to turn again. Thank you, Lutando. That was right. Now we need to turn again, but which way? Remember, you have to pretend you are facing the same way as Scrat so that you know which side is his left and his right side. Okay, Matlotlo, I'm going to unmute you again. Yes, are you there? Okay, now from here, where do we go? We need to
Move
turn.
forward 3 times.
Okay, but first we need to turn, remember? Which way are we turning?
Yes, ma'am.
We have to face down. So that means we are going to turn
Turn
left.
left.
Okay, and then you said move forward 3 times, right?
What? Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. This is where we will be. Do you think we should maybe add another one so we can get here?
Yes, ma'am. Move
Okay.
forward 4 times.
4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, when we are, let's quickly reset and press the step button. Move forward, turn left, move forward, move forward, turn left, move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward. Fantastic. Now we are here. We are going to have to turn again.
Right.
Okay. Oh, sorry, I just muted, but you said turn right. Remember, Our right is this way, but Scrat's right is the other way, because you have to pretend that you face the same way. So I'm just going to change the turn right to turn left. Okay. After we've turned left, sorry guys, I see our time is running out, so I'm just going to finish the code, but we will go back to this one tomorrow. Okay. So let's see, I'm not even going to finish it. Let's see where it ends up now. You guys can continue with this one and finish it. So tomorrow in class, we are going to start with this one. And then you can tell me how to finish it. Move forward, move forward. So only 2 more steps. Okay. I am quickly going to share my other screen with you and give you my email address. Okay, so this was puzzle 10. It's the easier one. Use your coding skills to get Scrat to the acorn. Take a picture and show me your code. Now, I have put the one for this code in the chat box, or you can stay on the code that you are and quickly finish it. Okay, you guys, there is my email, and I see some of you have raised your hands. Lutanda, you want to ask something? Are you there? Not? Okay. Then guys, that is the end of our lesson. Cheval, you quickly want to ask something. Okay, I'm unmuting. Yes, Cheval, are you there?
Ma'am, is level 10 our homework?
Puzzle number 10 is your homework. Yes, puzzle number 10.
Ma'am.
Let me see in the chat box quickly where I shared it. Puzzle 10. Let me quickly just get the code for you again. Then I'm going to share it in the chat box again. And then you guys can copy it or just click on it. Okay, there you go.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Do you guys see it there? You can copy that, or you can quickly click on it. Then it can stay open even after I log off. All right, so do puzzle 10 for me. Tomorrow we are going to finish that bonus one. So if you didn't get to do it today, don't worry. We will start off with that one tomorrow. You guys must have a fantastic day, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.